Hey guys, so this is how you create your first landing page or a web app or an application inside here sa MARCOR. Okay, so we have a feature called Coding Agent. So it happens to be that you can see here kasi this is a shortcut. Okay, so where you can find it is in Tools. Okay, just click the Tools and you can see the Coding Agent here. You can star it so that you have a shortcut. So if you click Coding Agent, you will see a bunch of already been built landing pages, dashboards that I made, funnels I made, but these are all working. And what you will learn today is how you can really create your own within MARCOR. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So you can develop, okay, your own landing page or apps or anything you can imagine. I have developed multiple apps here. I've also developed games, dashboard. Okay, so now we will be creating our very simple landing page, right? So this landing page will be created under Coding Agent. So all you need to do is to click the new button. So after you click the new button, you will be directed to this page. So first of all, we just need to name our landing page. Let's say my first landing page. Okay, then click save. Then you're good to go with the name. Now, so here you are first prompted or directed to the coding agent. The coding agent is where all the magic happens. Dito ka magpo-prompt ng iyong agent where it will build the landing page or app for you. It's pretty self-explanatory because you'll just have to describe what you want to build or what you want to change kung meron na. Now, secondly, you have here like the code editor. So we have a pre-code here, so you don't have to learn. Okay, you don't have to learn everything about here, but this we are already showing you what's inside, not just the HTML, but the entire app. You will see the entire app here using the HTML5 um, code, right? So you can learn it, you can cross-check it, you can export and bring it anywhere you want, right? So it's yours. There's also the visual editor. So this is what exactly it looks like, but in an editor mode. It means you can edit text, you can edit the content inside. Maybe you can change the words, the spelling, and all basic correction. And then in live preview, you will only see this if you publish, right? So not the create page, but publish. You will see the live preview, right? So if we create this new or the basic page, you will be seeing this prompt. So it says create project. You can accomplish this later on, but this is the first and basic settings that you can do. So you can create or edit your page name. Then this is the vanity path. It means you can customize the path. So right now, the landing page will be saved under Marcor Studio.marcor.app slash p because it's a page. Then you can customize your own vanity path. So anything you want there, or you can just click it as draft or published. So after your page, after you saved it, it will be published right away, right? So, and then you have the option here to link an agent, but we will not do this for now because this will be an advance. You have the option to create your own SEO and then customize your social sharing, yan mga yan, and then the tracking analytics. So what we need to do just to see it is to create the project. So if you create the project, you can see that, okay, it's published because we um, choose the to be published. Then when you click live preview, you can see here this is what it looks like. Wow, so good, right? So it's really um, functioning according. Okay, so what we want to do is to create our own. So what I will need to do is to prompt the coding agent what website I want to do. So here in code editor, I just want to delete everything, then click save. That's all. So that I don't have anything in it, right? Now I will prompt it now. But before that, I just have to explain the basic function here. So here you have option to build or chat. Chat is like you just want to, know first, or maybe communicate with the coding agent what you really want, and then build later on, right? Let's say you want to check some part of your landing page or app, then you can make it analyzed, and then you can make changes, right? So that's the basic one. So if you want, like, if you change it to build, then it will build the app for you. Then you have the options to change your GPT model according to what is in your integration. So you have to paste either the OpenAI key or your Gemini or your Grok, right? So there's a bunch of stuff here. You can upload your images. It means you can, like, uh, send coding agent what you want it to look like you copied it or you export from other websites or other app. You are free to do that. Or maybe you want to you have sketched, okay, something, and you want the coding agent to do it, right? So a lot of things, like you can upload reference image, all right? You can upload the image that you want, and then you can set the instruction. So I will not be tackling this right now. This will be like advanced stuff, but this is actually how you want the AI to build the website for you or an app for you. So as is right now, so you don't need to create your own. We've already created you how an expert like you or a non-technical like you should create the landing page or an app, right? So right now I just need to cancel that, and then we start creating it. So you can see here it's AI powered because everything here is AI. Let's say I want to build a landing page for my graphic design service. The name is DJ's Graphics, right? So that's the name of my business. I do creatives for filming industry, yeah, right? So that's my prompt, and then um, I want people, people, or specifically um, indie film makers and producers to contact me for a project idea, right? Now we'll send something else, all right? Let's say um, uh, I want my landing page to be modern, let's say slick, futuristic, um, Hollywood, tama ba? Hollywood, um, Hollywood themed, Hollywood ready or acceptable, or um, highly produced with animation. Okay, animation, um, um, let's say graphic, um, human and tech. Let's say human and tech um, graphics. So yeah, let's see, right? If I press enter, you can see that I am generating, right? So our coding agent is actually thinking and generating, right? So understanding what you prompted, and then it will generate the um, landing page for you. So a bunch of things. are happening here. If you know how to code, then this must be really relevant for you. But if you don't know, just like me, just wait and see what will happen. Okay, so it's now done. I have actually posted for like 3 minutes, right? So let's say this is total of 4 minutes or 5 minute build. So let's see in the visual editor what it looks like. So you can see a lot of colors there, and yeah. So let's try to save this, right? Save, and then since it's already published, we can see actually what it looks like in the preview. Look at that. Oops. Look at that. Right? So it has really a good initial landing page built in MARCOR. Okay, so this is actually pretty good because the content, right? So how you can see there are animations. You see that? So of course you can edit it. Maybe you want to change something in it using the coding agent here. It's up to you. But here, look at that. We have already built a really complete and cool landing page for my graphic design, right? For filmmakers, right? So yeah, so now we can actually launch this and you can save, right? So by the way, you can see the history. Every time you make changes, you can preview it and then you can restore that previous version if you wish to, right? So now I'll just go back and then we can now get the link of the landing page. So you can see this is the vanity link here. So you can click this for preview or you can get the link from here. You have options to unpublish it. If you are ready, you can reset the view so that you have an accurate views. And then all right. So now we can try and preview. There you go. So this is our page and we are actually ready to launch it if I want to. Right. So that's it for now. And I hope you learned something. Try it yourself and let me know where what you did and where you're stuck. Right? Make sure to contact our community for more. Thank you.